How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Car's done in a Nassau Blue with white top. It's had the same owner 25 years. He had the whole car restored. So all the bumpers, the grille, all new or been re-chromed. He had all the stainless trim on the car re-polished. Car looks real good down the sides. Paint's nice and flat. It's got all new tinted glass, all the weather stripping, window felts. This is actually a 56 color. He wanted it to be the blue and not turquoise. It's got blue dots in the tail lights, got the optional backup lights that work. I mean, all the chrome and stainless on this car is gorgeous. Very, very nice. Got the dual mirrors. Got a GM Performance crate ZZ4 in it, 350, aluminum headed, aluminum radiator. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. It's got 700 R4 GM Performance overdrive trans. The rear end's all been done. Got limited slip rear, duals, and all the interior's brand new. It's a Cars Inc. interior. Very, very nice. I did it, tilt steering column. It's got just about 2,000 miles on it since the restoration. He didn't drive it a whole lot. Did the front and rear seat belts. Really like the blue interiors, gorgeous. All inside the trunk is painted real nice. Got a spare. Headliner's gorgeous in the car. All new visors, everything. All the dash trim. Got an AM/FM cassette radio in it. The heater is inoperable. Thing fires right up. Got Rainworks wiper setup in it with 2-speed. Very nice. Got electric choke and everything on it. Works like it should. Just a super, super cool car. This car drives and rides excellent. Backup lights work. So them ZZ4 motors are really good motors. Got brand new wheels and tires on it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Or you can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook.